Okay, good. Happy Saturday morning, if that makes sense. So I am just gonna come on here for all of the seniors that are taking creative writing. I am so sorry to be the one to inform you, but I have made a mistake. As you can see here, you guys have got to have your writing projects in on Tuesday evening, at the latest Wednesday morning, because I have to have senior grades in on Wednesday, which is the 9th. I was convinced that you had until Friday, but every year when I deal with seniors, I forget that your grades are due a little earlier than everyone else. So that means you have today, tomorrow, Monday, and Tuesday to work on it and make it as creative and neat as you possibly can. If you are struggling with something, I will periodically check Schoology for my inbox, the messages that come into my inbox throughout the weekend, and definitely on Monday. I will be in the building on Monday working. But if you want to take advantage of my office hours on Monday, feel free to do that and I can work with you on some things. If not, just email me, stay in my inbox, and I will answer any questions and help as much as I can. Actually, you do have quite a bit of time to write this, even though it might not seem like it, because remember, you're only writing 5 pages and your focus is on the 5 pages and the illustration for each page. Make sure that you are referring back to the rubric, which is in week 17's folder, and it is in Thursday's folder specifically. Make sure you are adhering to that, and if some things are just, it's not a matter of it being perfect. It just needs to be creative. It just needs to be some of your best work. So I'm sorry that I have to be the bearer of bad news, that you have to get this in earlier than I thought, which is Tuesday evening, no later than Wednesday morning, because I want to make sure all of your grades are in. As for closing up with seniors, this is only applies to seniors. This only applies to seniors. If you are graduating this year, this only applies to you. My juniors who are taking the class, you have until Friday to work. Also, another message for seniors, and I almost forgot. I'm kind of I had another message for you all. Can't remember what it was though. It had something to do with what you're working. Oh yeah, exams. I will send you a private message as soon as possible to let you know whether or not you need to take the exam or not. So be on the lookout for that, like I did last time. If you're a senior who does not meet the requirements, then you're gonna have to take the exam. So next week we will be reviewing for exams the entire week. So you want to make sure you are coming to synchronous sessions to review with me. And that's it.